Where'd you go? What are you doing? Hey. Here you go. You're just gonna shred it, aren't you? Hey, Sammy, what the hell? Come here, baby. Come here, Sammy. You're freaking crazy. It's not even your cage. Ollie. Ollie, where are you? He's like camouflaged. I can't see. Oh, he's in the pouch. I can see his tail. Ollie. Ollie, come here. Come on. Come on, dude. You can do it. There you are. Come here, buddy. Ollie. Ollie. Hey, dude. What are you gonna do, huh? Why don't you come out of the cage? Come on out. Come on. Come out of the cage, dude. Come here. Ollie, you know how to get out of the cage. There you are. Come here, buddy. Come here, Ollie. Yeah, woohoo! Hey, buddy, how you doing? I love you so much. Okay, do you want a tissue? A Kleenex? Fucking name brand. Come here. Come here. Oh. Okay, so. Whoa! 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 Ollie ended up on the floor. And Sammy's on Charlie's cage. Okay, no, they're still flying. Hi. What's all that commotion about? I think Charlie's happy because he's on his cage again. You guys are too intrusive. You just go in his cage. Baby. Baby? Say kisses? Say kisses. Say kisses, Charlie. Kisses. My hands are shaking really bad, sorry. I can't film. Jeez. Ugh. Need a freaking stabilization unit.